Finally, one more thought. Amid all the gloom in the markets, a candle in the wind. There's no shortage of pessimism in the markets these days, with central bankers falling over one another to tell us how determined they are to raise rates.
We don't rule out 75 forever, right? I mean, what I'm going to do is I think 50, the cadence we're going now seems about right to me.
And those higher rates can mean only one thing: money coming out of the market and making all those financial assets less valuable than we thought they were.
A trader actually told me that the consensus here is that the S&P 500 will ultimately trade down to a PE multiple of 16 to 18. We're at about 20 to 21 right now. So by that standard, we still have a lot more selling to go.
When it comes to taking money off the table, we always start with the riskier, more speculative parts of our portfolio, like Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, of course, extending losses, even dropping below, well, almost 30,000 at one point on Monday. This is the first time it goes this low since back in July 2021.
And tech stocks, including those in Cathie Wood's ARK fund, which this week gave back all of its gains against the S&P 500, and then some.
Cathie Wood's strategy, for example, of picking stocks that have fallen victim to the tech meltdown. Some of her favorites tumbling in an environment of rising interest rates and high inflation. There's a look at the ARK Innovation ETF.
But fear not, there are some assets that are holding up nicely, even setting new records. Like, for example, 20th century American art.
100 million, 110 million, 110 million, 120.
This week, Andy Warhol's portrait of Marilyn Monroe, it's called Shot Sage Blue Marilyn, set a new record, going for $195 million. That's almost double the previous record of $110 million for a painting by Jean-Michel Basquiat.
We did sell the most expensive painting of the 20th century. It's the highest price ever paid, close to $200 million. Let it sink in. It's quite something.
So with all the talk about cryptocurrencies and NFTs as the value of the future, it's good to know that the safe haven investment may just be, in the end, good old-fashioned art. Though I'm sure Mr. Warhol would not appreciate being called old-fashioned in any way.